I have 8 projects for you today using the new Christmas Valley transfer. You are going to love this one. Let's get started. The first project today is this clipboard. I painted it in Little Black Dress and White Swan, and then I sealed it with Big Top. Whenever you use a transfer, you need to seal it first if you are using a chalk type paint. This is from the new release, the Christmas Valley, and this is just one piece of this transfer. The transfers make crafting really easy and fast. If you are selling these or giving them as gifts, you're going to get this done in no time. This is a 1x3 board that I painted, and we're going to add these cute little birds that again are in the Christmas Valley. How cute is this? And they look gorgeous in your decor. And if you are a maker that sells, these are a really good seller and make a beautiful gift. You'll see the theme throughout this video is where I painted everything black and then put some white on top and just leave a little bit of black showing through, and it gives it a really nice distressed look. Now, how adorable is this? I really love deers at Christmas time. It is my favorite thing to decorate, so I'm really enjoying this transfer. You'll also see that I distress my transfers. You don't have to. I'm using the vintage texture stamp here to add a little bit of texture. And then I also use the chippy one. There's 4 textures that you get in that stamp. I'll have a link below for the products that I'm using here today. This 6x6 canvas I'm going to put on this cute little house here. These look really nice in tier trays or dough bowls. You just pop them here and there in your decor and they look absolutely beautiful. This one here I did on Facebook. This is how I styled them together. I love vintage hardware, but I hate having to measure and trying to find screws. So I ink up those spots and then I stamp it on. That leaves 2 little black marks. And now I know where to put the holes. So I drilled that up. And then I like to use construction adhesive. Apply that on, let that sit. I probably would let it sit overnight. And then I'm going to add my transfer, again, another deer. All of this is from the same transfer set, the Christmas Valley. And how cute is this? We're going to switch gears here a little. We're going to use a paint inlay. So to do that, we need a wet surface. I'm using liquid patina, but you can also use paint. There is a method to do this. There are things that you need to do. If you follow the instructions on the back of the package, it will work out for you absolutely beautifully. And you're just transferring paint on here. So the final look is it looks like it's been hand painted. And it's distressed and chippy looking, which I totally love. This is my favorite part of using a paint inlay. Look at that, it just peels right off and we've transferred now that paint to our surface. So here the letters didn't quite transfer over, and that's probably because I didn't put enough liquid patina on there or it started to dry. All I did was use a marker, fixed it up. You'd never know what happened. Now the thrift store has tons of glassware and they make beautiful gifts because you can put so many things in it. Candles, You can put sand in there, fairy lights, so easy to create. And all I did was cut out some transfer pieces, again from the same transfer set. And then I just applied them on top of each other, which you totally can do. And now we put the little bird on there. I think it's so cute. I love birds. I love birds in my decor. I really do. Do you love birds? Let me know. Now you can't really seal this because the sealer would just make the glass all cloudy, but you really don't need to. It is on there pretty good. The emoji today is a bird. Drop the bird in the comments below. That lets me know that it was you that watched this all the way to the end. And there are 2 videos on the screen right now. Just click to see more.